altitude near Marion and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Torrential rainfall. Winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and peace. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland until 6:15 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots 13 nautical miles west of Bush River, moving northeast at 35 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Bush River, Haberdagrace, Susquehanna Flats. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. And now a special weather statement from your